About a week ago I got my wok pan, which I ordered online. I have it here in my car. I always keep it in my car if I'm getting hungry. I can cook something. I have also my gas burner here. This pan, it came without any lid. I could easily order something online for 20 bucks or something. Why bother if I can spend double the money and make it by myself? I'm just wondering about this material. I could use plywood. That would be strong, easy material, but it looks a little bit boring. I was thinking bamboo. I never used bamboo, but I think they have some kind of bamboo glued boards there in the shop. And I think bamboo is not so expensive material, and I have this feeling that it's quite light material. I could be wrong. Only thing about this glued board is that it is going to bend, especially when there's moist and hot and warm. So I have to think about something that it won't bend. Okay, this should be a pretty easy job. This pan, it's 36 centimeters wide. I want this lid that it's a little bit bigger. I'll make it 37. This bamboo, it is a little bit thick, but I think it doesn't matter. I think when it's thick, it will also stay more straight, kind of. Unfortunately, it's raining outside, so I'm not going there. I have to do it here inside. I just hate it because of this dust. I don't have a choice, so I have to do it here. Of course, it's not good now because it's kind of moving here. So I have to make a slot here that it's going a little bit more deeper. I think it fits pretty good. I don't even have to do anything about this one. Next I have to think about this handle. Because this is glued board, it might be that it will bend because of the heat and moist and everything like that. But if it's doing that, I think it will bend like this. That means that I will make a long handle here. And I will, with my router, I will make a slot this direction. And I will glue this handle to the slot. Yeah, but so far I think it looks pretty good. It fits so good here now. And I'm going to use this leftover piece of wood. I think it would look very nice. I want to have a slot here for this handle, that it's going a little bit deeper. And then I will of course glue it here, and maybe because there's a hole, maybe I can even secure it with the screw. Do I have right size router bit? Yeah, I found one router bit which is pretty close. It should work, so I will try it with this one. Perfect. And to glue this handle, I'm going to use Titebond 3. Strong, waterproof, food safe, all the good stuff. Okay, now the final part, oil. I sanded everything with 120 paper and it looks pretty good now, it's pretty smooth. I think anyway, because of the heat and moist and everything, I have no idea how long it will last. Actually, you can buy some wok pans with wooden lid. I don't know what material they use here, but that was actually a pretty good deal, 20 Swiss francs. I can make 2 of these out of this wood. So 10 francs per lid. It's not that bad. Of course, a little bit of oil, but that's not very much what I need. And I'm going to use this oil for work tables, kitchen tables. It should be food safe. It doesn't matter that much, of course, because it's not really touching any food. Next day, I will now add the second layer of oil. By the way, this board, it wasn't finished in any way. I think bamboo, it's very hard material, so it doesn't suck so much oil. I think it's anyway better to add some kind of protection. That was actually a pretty nice project. Very kind of fast project if you don't calculate how much you have to wait that the glue is dry or the oil is dry. But that was pretty fun, easy project. 10 francs per lid. That's also cheap. I'm not going to bore you anymore with this oiling, so let's go straight to the final product. The seasoning of this wok looks so nice. How about this lid? Fits like a glove.